Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am working with Echo Park's Jungle Safari Collection Kit. It is part of this week's Deal of the Week at polkadotmailbox.com. These are some of the other collections that are part of the deal, and the Deal of the Week is buy one, get one at half price. So you can choose from a variety of Echo Park and Cartabella kits to take advantage of this great deal. So the first thing that I'm going to create here for you is a envelope or a pocket, a loaded bag. I've heard it called so many different things. Someone called it an elevator pocket, which I thought was a good idea. But if you've watched my channel before, you would have seen me create this loaded envelope. I just fold two 12 by 12 pieces of paper into themselves and then fold them up to create 4 levels of pockets. It's so simple and so easy, and it's great to ship as a flat mail. So these colors for this collection kit were so vibrant and beautiful that it really created a really nice product in the end. So I was really happy with how it all came together. I am creating a happy mail for one of my pen pals. So we send each other letters, and every month we create a new little packet. Well, the first month I created her a package. It was for February. It was the last loaded envelope that I uploaded to my YouTube channel. And if you watch that one, I hadn't known if she was going to receive it because I had sent it and it should have taken a week, and it had been almost a month and it hadn't been received yet. So I decided to create another one for her and send her off a second one. Well, she did indeed, in fact, get the first one and the second one like back to back. So I don't know what happened. The other one got lost temporarily, or I don't know. It took a long time to get there, but now she has them both and I can share this with you. So you can see here I've put a layer of tulle and I've topped that with a stitched cardstock, and then I'm using the element stickers to decorate the front. So I really like that I can use this collection kit to create a pocket that doesn't have a lot of dimension to it, because I'm trying to ship things as flat mail or as like a letter mail. We're in Canada here, so we have the ability to ship for less than $5 if it's not a package. So it's nice to be able to send it out as a letter. Here I'm going to create some little elements to add to the different levels of the pockets. If you watched one of my previous videos where I created an entire envelope flip with tea, this is where it was inspired from. I discovered that these little 3x4 pockets are the perfect little house for these tea bags, and my pen pal really loves tea, so I've created a little pocket for her out of the 3x4 cards by simply sewing 2 together. And then I did the same thing. So the first one I had some tea, and this one I stuck some mini-me flowers inside. So you can use it for a variety of things. The washi on top makes it so that she can open it easily and then reuse the envelope again, or the little pocket again herself for another project. I'm including these fun tags from Amy Tangerine, and then I go and I create a very similar pocket, except I used the 4x6 cards this time. And this is where I discovered that you can actually just, if you like the back and front of the ones that are next to each other, you can just fold them in half, and that way it holds it in place nicely while you're sewing it. So I've stick in a little Project Life sticker set, and it creates a fun element for this envelope. Again, it's not adding a lot of bulk, but there's so much color, and I put a little paper clip just to hold everything in place so that it stays the way that I like. As she pulls it out, she'll see them all together. So another part of this collection kit is the border strips. And I go and cut some flags out of the border strip to create a little doily embellishment to send off to her as part of her gift. And I simply just cut out the flags, and I use my hole punch to punch the holes inside. I strings through some twine, and then I'm going to use some adhesive to hold them in place, and that's just to allow me to be able to get it lined up the way that I like without having to worry about it shifting at all. And then I'm going to adhere it down with a more sturdy glue, but this just keeps it nicely in place to be able to put on the project as I work with creating it. So I use one of the Wander stickers from the Elements sheet, and then I stick this adorable little tiger in behind and add this fun little sticker. I've put one of the Walk on the Wild Side, I think it says, stickers on top of a flower, and then I've just layered that all. Again, I'm not adding any dimension. I'm keeping it very flat, but adding lots of layers and texture and creating a really fun little embellishment for her. So the one thing that I did add a little bit of, this is the only time I use my foam tape, which is hard for me because I always like to pop everything up on foam, but it didn't add too much to this project to make it so that I couldn't ship it just like regular flat mail. So I just add in some sequins and some enamel dots, and then I'm going to go ahead and top the cover so that it's packaged all as if it came from a store. And I'm again using the border sheets, and I'm just going to find 2 designs that I like back to back and fold them over. This is a good time saver for a number of different projects. I could do it with the 3x4 cards, the 4x6 cards, and now the border strips. So if you find elements that you like that are side by side, instead of cutting them in half, you can just fold them in half. So that sticks out the top nice, and I'm happy with the way that this all came together. So thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in taking advantage of Polka Dot Mailbox's Deal of the Week for Monday, March 25th, 2019, you can use code BOGO, buy one, get one, at half price. So buy any Echo Park or Cartabella kit and receive the second one at half price. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time. Bye.